how are you? Today is Sunday. I was supposed to go on live by 7 p.m. as you all know. But I thought ki this week I will not go live with any guest. So definitely from next week onwards, I'm just here to talk to you how to take care of yourself. Okay, जब success होती है, we all are fine. When everything is fine in our life, we are happy, we are extremely radiant. Okay, we are performing well in office, performing well in the home. If we are successful, no problem, right? But थोड़ा सा एक failure आ गया और थोड़ा सा एक downfall आ गया, we don't know how to handle, correct? क्यों ऐसे क्यों होता है? Because हमें बचपन से तैयार नहीं किया जाता है, राइट? हम अपने आप में बड़ा हो जाते हैं, अपने आप में सोच लेते हैं प्रॉब्लम को ऐसे हैंडल करनी चाहिए, करेक्ट? सो I'm going to share you my experiences, how I deal with the hurdles, how I deal with the obstacles. Okay, first of all we need to understand हमारे पास हमारी जिंदगी में क्या क्या obstacle है, राइट? क्या क्या परेशानी है, राइट? तो इसके लिए अपने आप के बारे में you have to know yourself first. You have to know your strength, you have to know your weakness, correct? In family, in work, in business, at office, in the society, how you behave, how you react, what makes you happy, what not make you happy, what makes you sad, you have to understand that, correct? So first you need to understand yourself. हम 18 साल के होते हैं, लीगली मेजर बन जाते हैं, माइनर से मेजर बन जाते हैं, बट मेंटली हमें कोई तैयारी नहीं किया जाता है, राइट? वी डोंट प्रिपेयर आवरसेल्फ मेंटली टू डील विद दिस सोसाइटी, टू डील विद दिस लाइफ और टू डील विद द पीपल अराउंड अस, करेक्ट? सो दैट्स व्हाट थोड़ा सा एक मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बात करूँगी, बस मुझे एवरी डे कुछ कुछ सोच आती है व्हेन आई डू मेडिटेशन एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर. ओके, सो okay, so people are coming on my live. Thank you so much, guys. You are commenting and you're watching my live video. You're so supportive and thank you so much. Today you may be finding me thoda sa down hai because obviously obvious reason because of Sushant Singh Rajput, correct? It's not about him, it's about how we are dealing with the life, correct? How we take this life for granted. So that's what I want to talk today, that's what I want to convey. I want to save as many as life because I was depressed once, I was heartbroken once. How I came up, how I am happy, how I made myself happy. First of all, you should not depend on any other source will come and help you. First of all, it can be either your parents, it can be either your boss, it can be either your mentor. Nobody gonna help you, only you should help yourself. First of all, ये दिमाग पे डाल देना. Okay, second thing, second step you have to take as you have to understand yourself. आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, आपको क्या अच्छा नहीं लगता है. Okay, last week's Wednesday I went on a live with Petia Kolibova, right? She is from Czech Republic and she is living in USA. She has gone through lot in life, sexual harassment, physical abuse, 18 years moving out of the house, don't know where to go, lived in London, moved to USA. Today she is successful. Today she is not only successful, she is teaching people how to become happy. She is teaching people how to become successful, correct? जितने भी पैसा कमा लो, if you're not happy, don't do that fucking thing. If something is making you happy, even you're making less money, go do that. One day it will make you abundance. Okay, first step I told you, right? Second step, you have to understand yourself. How you gonna understand yourself? You have to understand your core value. आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, आपको क्या नहीं अच्छा लगता है. What is your core value? core value का मतलब आपको दिल क्या बोलता है. यार ये चीज करने से पहले मुझे गलत लग रहा है, ये चीज करनी नहीं चाहिए. That is called core value. Correct? अंडरस्टैंड, आइडेंटिफाई योर कोर वैल्यू. कोर वैल्यू के साथ आपको जो आपका दिल बोल रहे हैं उसके साथ आप चलोगे, कोई डिप्रेशन नहीं होगा, कोई अनहैप्पीनेस नहीं होगा. अगर होगा भी तो यू कैन एबल टू कम आउट ऑफ दैट. ओके, so how I take care of myself when I was depressed, when I was heartbroken, I convert all that energy into my work. Okay, मुझे अच्छा लगता है काम करने में, मुझे लोगों को मदद करना अच्छा लगता है, मुझे मेंटोरिंग करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. टुडे आई एम नॉट हैंडलिंग एनी टीम, आई एम नॉट पार्ट ऑफ एनी बिजनेसेस, बट टुडे आई एम रनिंग माई ओन बिजनेस. ओके, 5 years डाउन द लाइन मुझे कहाँ जाना है मुझे पता है. 2 years डाउन द लाइन मुझे बिना कंपनी एस पीपल 10 को कहाँ लेके जाना है मुझे पता है. 1 साल के अंदर मुझे क्या करनी है मुझे पता है. Right? If you're not so ambitious as me or many other people around the world, it's okay. Okay? It's fine. If you're okay with your job, do your job 100%. If you want to be an ambitious, you can become a manager in your job. You can become a VP in your job. That is also success. If you have started a business, doing a clothing business, open the shutter and close the shutter, it's okay. Do your business properly. Give your business 100%. Don't compare yourself with anybody else. Okay? Okay. So you have to understand your core value. You have to understand what is your dislike and not. ऐसे नहीं है खाना, मुझे ये कपड़े पसंद है, ये नहीं, ये इसकी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं. डीपली बात कर रही हूँ, आपका अंदर की बात कर रही हूँ, कोर वैल्यू. ठीक है? सो कोर वैल्यू समझना ही आज ही आप इस वीडियो से कोर वैल्यू आपका समझनी चाहिए. उसको पेपर में लिख लीजिए, उसको फॉलो करिए. डेफिनेटली इट विल मेक यू हैप्पी. Okay, so how to understand your core value? I will tell you थोड़ा सा एक छोटा सा exercise, okay, which I follow, which I do every day, which I cherish every day. Thanks, I will be in gratitude every day. मुझे ये वाला टेक्निक, ये वाला टिप्स मुझे पता है. ठीक है? So it will compare. I will क्या बोलूँ, I will not go into meditation. फिर भी मैं आपको एक छोटा सा टिप देना चाहती हूँ. If you can follow this next 21 days, it will help you, make you successful. It will give you clarity. It will give you focus. When you are focused, when you have a vision, you will not think about anything. You will not go negative. You will take care of yourself. You will take care of your family as well. Okay? So whoever is watching me, close your eyes. Okay? Close your eyes. You have to go within yourself. To understand you, you have to talk to yourself. Close your eyes. It's just 2 minutes. It will just take 2 minutes. Close your eyes. Go within yourself. Okay? First, watch your heart. आपका दिल. Imagine you have a heart, right? Everybody has a heart. Check on your heart. How is your heart looking? Is it blood flowing? Is it beating? Okay, then come to your lungs. Imagine how your lungs look like. If you're smoking, obviously your lungs gonna be looking bad. If you're not smokers, your lungs gonna be look beautiful. Okay, come to your intestine. Come check on your livers. Check on your pancreas. Check on your blood flowing energy. Check on your nerves. Right? There are millions of cells are there. Can you see that cells? If you close your eyes, go deep inside your body. Check on everything. Each and every cell is working properly. That's why you're able to watch this video. Correct? So if your heart is correctly beating, that's why you're able to watch this video. Correct? Your nerves are working properly. There are millions of nerves inside your body, right? There are, it has a lot of curls and twist and everything, but still it's working properly. That's why you are here, you are in this world. Go and appreciate that. Say thanks to your heart, say thanks to your lungs for functioning properly. Say thanks to your blood vessels. Say thanks to your DNA. Say thanks to your flow of your blood. Okay, close your eyes, do this. Do not think about anything, just think about your body. You cannot control your thoughts. पहला दिन ऐसे होगा. After that, every day you do this, you will be able to do that. Okay, this is the first day of your practice to understand yourself. Okay, say thanking to yourself. Without your organs, without your body parts, you are nothing. This body has come from our earth and the moon, so you are thanking that. Okay, so once you thank that, if you are still closing your eyes, keep on closing your eyes and put some light on your heart, put some light on your lungs, put some light. Imagine there is a light, imagine there is an energy. Okay, so this is how you go inside yourself. This is just a first step. It can go deep and deep and deep, that I want to go into it because आपके लिए बहुत हो जाएगा. तो ये वाला चीज आप डेली करो. You can start from head and go till toe, or you can start from your toe and go till head. Okay, what it will give? It will give you a gratitude for yourself, for being alive, for being in this planet. Correct? When you are radiant with your gratitude energy, you will not have any negativity. You will be focused, you will have clarity. So this is what today I want to talk about. I'm already feeling hot because I never shared this with anybody. I never shared this with on a public platform. I only discuss with the people on a personal level because this is something personal, right? So please guys, do meditation. It can be either you're a woman, successful woman, or a housewife. It can be either you're a house husband or a successful entrepreneur, men or women. Please do this exercise. Please go to yourself. Don't search for the solutions outside. You have all the solutions inside of you. You have the whole dictionary which you wanted inside you. Read that dictionary. समझो, ठीक है? So this is what I want to say, and I want to recognize people who are watching. Pradeep, Pahal, Suresh, Nishad, Kunal, Shankar, Swan Singh. Thank you so much. Thank you, Prema Krishnan. Auntie, you are watching. Thank you so much. Gajendran Singh. Thank you, Muruga. Praveen Agarwal. Indra Kumar, thank you so much. You're watching. Ankit Paul, Sangeetha, Best, Surya, Supriya, Dr. Supriya, thank you. Nisha Goyal, Shiba, thank you. Shiba Di, Veera Kumar, KP Singh, Anumat, I think you're from Africa, and then Prateep, Shobit, Aditya, and then Shmita Shri. Thank you so much guys. This is what I want to do. Please help each other. Okay, आस पास में लोगों को देख कर उनको दिमाग पढ़ो, उनको हेल्प करना. यही करना है हमें. खुद को ख्याल रखनी है, तब जाके दूसरे को हेल्प कर सकते हैं. अगर मैं खुद को नहीं ख्याल कर रख पाऊंगी, ये सब मैं आपको नहीं बता पाऊंगी, मेरा टेक्निक मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. गाइस ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज नॉट अ कंप्लीट मेडिटेशन प्रोसेस. मैंने सिर्फ एक टिप बताया which can help you improve your meditation practices. Trust me, मुझे जब भी मन कर रहे, जब भी मैं लाइव पे आऊँगी, I will give you ऐसे मैं टिप्स देते रहूँगी. I have decided I should share my good practices so that people can also radiant, people can also be in a positive vibrant. Okay, so that's all. If you have any questions, please comment me. I will connect with you in a personal level and we can talk a lot. ओके, कीप मेडिटेटिंग, कीप. अगर आप अच्छे होंगे तब जाके दूसरे को, आपकी दूसरे कौन है यार, आपके अगल बगल में आपकी फैमिली है. अगर आपका फैमिली को, आपका बिजनेस को, आपका जॉब को ख्याल रखनी है, अपने आप को पहले ख्याल रखो. दैट इज वाई दिस वीडियो का हेडिंग टाइटल ऐसे है, हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट. ओके, so I hope I participated, I gave little bit to you guys to think about it. Today is Sunday. Start today. Go to YouTube. There are a lot of meditation video, guided meditation video. Start practicing it. It will help you. It will help you in a whole different level. Trust me. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं बात करूंगी मेडिटेशन करने से क्या क्या मेरे लिए फायदा होता है. मैं रियल टाइम एग्जाम्पल्स दूंगी. मैं ऐसे फोकस और क्लैरिटी की बात नहीं करूंगी. रियल टाइम एग्जाम्पल्स मेरे साथ क्या क्या हुआ है उसके ऊपर मैं बात करूंगी. टिल द टाइम प्लीज प्रैक्टिस दिस. गो विद इन योर सेल्फ, वॉच योर सेल्फ, से थैंक्स टू योर सेल्फ. ओके, I hope I make sense, and please keep watching me, supporting me. S Peopletainment is long way to go, and we are preparing for many things in all the platform, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. So we are going to help as much as people can in entrepreneurship, in meditation, basically living a life.